Understanding how PLCs work. Ever wondered how programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, work in modern automation? First, PLCs gather data from sensors and switches, converting real-world signals into digital info. Next, the CPU processes this data using pre-programmed instructions for real-time decisions. Finally, the PLC sends commands to actuators and motors, controlling machinery and processes. Imagine a smart traffic light controller. It takes in traffic flow data to manage light changes. How have PLCs transformed your workplace? Share your experiences in the comments below. Follow me for more insights or visit my website to explore automation further. Automation is the future, and PLCs play a crucial role in it. These systems optimize efficiency, saving time and reducing human error. Programming a PLC can vary from simple operations to complex logic decisions. The difference is significant. Automation streamlines production and enhances safety. Data flow in a PLC follows a cycle: input, process, output. Operators monitor performance, making adjustments as necessary to ensure efficiency. Visual indicators on a PLC show operating status, alerting personnel to any issues. From manufacturing to transportation, PLCs are vital across many industries. They ensure seamless automation, from assembly to packing. Safety protocols are enhanced with PLCs, minimizing risks in hazardous environments. Engineers continually innovate PLC technologies for better performance and connectivity. The future of PLCs looks promising with advancements in AI and IoT technologies. Thank you for watching. Discover more about automation at my website.